I joined these 2 days events of Centric Connect here in Paris. I think it was really useful, really interesting. It was an event full of good topics, but the topics were really focused.
Today's sessions I thought were really useful to hear. It's very interesting to see the similarities in issues and questions and difficulties in running the business are across the board, and there is a solution out there.
I think it was especially the afternoon to be in dialogue with all the other businesses, different companies, and I felt very organic.
We came here for one or two lessons, but we find candies.
It's around understanding that broader macroeconomic environment, making sure that their proposition is fit for purpose, making sure that digital transformation remains at the heart of what they're trying to do, keeping up with their competitors and what's happening around in the industry.